course, keeping yourself clean is only half the story, and while you may be clean, your kitchen utensils and equipment may not be. So here's how you keep yourself professionally clean. Of course, you'll need to make sure that any cooking equipment you use is cleaned before and after using them. Doing so will require hot water, heated to ideally 70 or 80 degrees, and using washing detergents. And, as I stated before in the bacteria video, be sure to use antibacterial solutions to clean surfaces as well. However, to truly kill as much bacteria as possible, disinfectant is the best course of action. Of course, cleaning can be a time-consuming matter in a kitchen where every minute counts, so it's important to implement a cleaning rota so that each member of staff shares equal responsibility in keeping the kitchen clean. Though of course it's important to clean as you work, don't just leave dirty dishes or waste food around for other people to clean up for you. Because of course, if you don't keep the place clean as you work, you're liable to have a pest infestation on your hands.